Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to see DBMS solutions. The questions and the quiz are already available in the community section. You can find these questions from your community where we are solving part 4 DBMS and SQL part. DBMS and SQL part quiz number 1. And if you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy the content, give it a like. We are going to analyze the solution of the questions which are already answered and why it has gone wrong. And let's see what we can find. So the solution is from DBMS and SQL part. Okay. One is, what does the acronym ACID stands for in context of database transaction? 96 people have answered this question. And the correct answer is first one. A stands for atomicity, C for consistency, I for isolation, D for durability. So many have given the right answer, though we have got wrong answers as well. So these are not the right one. So why it is not right? Let's see what is an acid property. So acid property in DBMS refers to, you can see here, atomicity. It stands for the entire transaction takes place at once or it doesn't happen at all. That is the meaning of atomicity. Okay. Consistency. It means the database must be consistent before and after the transaction. Any transaction happens in the database, the system should be, or the database should be consistent. So that is what the meaning of consistency is. Isolation. It means multiple transactions can occur which should be independent of each other. Okay. Maybe you have transaction 1 happening somewhere, transaction 2, transaction 3, or whatever. It means maybe some some displaying of the transaction. For example, you take a bank account where somebody wants to see their details. Okay, so somebody is seeing the details of the account. So that happens in one place. Another, like if it is a joint account, the transaction may be like updating with some money or something like that. Okay, and some other transaction is also related to that. But whatever happens separately should not be depending on each other. That is what the meaning of isolation is. It should happen with all the databases, whichever you are selecting. Okay, so it should satisfy these ACID properties. Next one is durability. It means changes of a successful transaction occur even if the system failure occurs. Even though the system fails in the middle, whatever transaction is done, that should not be abrupt. Okay, that is what durability gives you the understanding of the database. Okay, so ACID property, very important for your database, and we have to know what are the different properties of each. A stands for what, C stands for what, I and D stands for what. So that is what we are going to get in this solution. Okay, and question is answered by 4 people. Here everybody has given the right answers, but we will discuss about it. Which SQL statement is used to retrieve data from database? So how you are going to retrieve that? Insert. Is it insert? No, because insert is used to fill or populate your record. Okay, the next one is update, to make changes in the values. Delete stands for deleting the rows. Okay, and select is used for displaying the data from your database. Whatever data you have in the database, that will be shown to the user. So select is the statement used for that. Okay, retrieving the data. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to next question. Third question is answered by 3 people, and everybody has got the right answer itself. So who have not attended, they can attend the quiz now also. It's available in your community tab. Okay. Which of the following SQL statements is used to retrieve unique values from a column in a table. So the keyword is unique value. That means the values should not be repeated. Okay, so you know that it is select. So select is the word that you have to use for your select the column name from your table name. Okay, and this is how you usually mention, but here it is mentioned that it should be unique values, it should be different. So in that case you have to use a keyword called distinct, so it matches with your second option. You can see unique, this is not valid, only not valid, all not valid. Okay, so distinct is the right answer and everybody has given the correct answer. Those who are unaware of this, please do check this out. Okay, next question, fourth question is, which SQL clause is used to filter the records returned by a query? Okay, to filter, that means you are going to get a result based on some conditions. Okay, so which clause will help in that? So let's see what are the different options. Everybody has given the right answer, only 2 people have answered this. Those who have not attended, they can attend now also. Here you can see join. It is not used for such purpose. Join is used for connecting two tables. Okay, order by, it is used for sorting the result, and group by is used for classifying it according to some criteria or some column name. Okay, maybe like based on some conditions. Now if you see where will give you the proper result in whatever conditions you apply to those records, like select star from your table name, let it be T1, where you write age is more than 25. So who are more than 25 years of age, their details will be displayed in front of you. Okay, you're filtering the record based on some conditions. Okay, you can classify this using the group by statement or group by clause, using their department maybe. Okay, so according to department it may be visible to you. So that criteria should be available, then only group by can be used. Okay, we will discuss it in the later portion. Next quiz is fifth one. What is the purpose of alter table statement in SQL? So 28 people have answered this and many have got it right also, though wrong answers are available here. So let's check why it has gone wrong. So alter table, this comes under your DDL statements. Okay, where you are making the change to the structure of your table. DML and DDL. So this comes under DDL. Here it is to delete a table from the database. That is wrong. No, that's not the purpose of this one. To retrieve the data, no, we use select for that. Next one is to modify the structure. Yes, you have to modify the structure of the existing table. DDL is always connected to the structure of your table. DML is connected to your data. So here you can see select, it is related to your DML. To delete a table, again it is DDL only, but use of alter is not to delete. Next one is to insert a new data into a table. No, again it is a DML, so that's not possible. So this is the right answer, where you are going to modify the structure of your table, not the rows, the table structure, like how your table looks like. It has column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. You want to add new column to it, so that is possible. Okay, so this is what the usage of alter table. Next one is sixth question, answered by only 3 people. Let's see, which SQL statement is used to create a new table in a database? So very direct question it is. You can see here, make table not available. Okay, new table no, define table no, create table, table name. That is the syntax for your creating table. Also you have to specify the columns that you want to add in your table with their data types. Okay, so this is answered by people as right itself. Also you have to add to that syntax, right? Others are not matching. Which DML statement is used to modify the existing records in a table? So DML statement, first itself you have to find out which are the DML statements if you are not clear about this purpose. And you have to modify the existing records. That means you have to make change to the record. You are having a table where row 1 is there, row 2 is there. You want to make some change to somebody's age after 1 year. Okay, that is what you're going to make the change. So in that case, it is not insert, it's not delete, it's update, because you're making change to the row. So that is update, and select is for displaying the result. So this is the right answer, and it's correct. Everybody has given the right answer itself, but only 2 people have answered. That is the sad part. So please do go to the quiz, the community tab, and solve the answer. Next one is to remove all rows from a table but keep the table structure for the future use. You need to delete all the rows. So it will be DML, and you want to keep the structure. So it is related to your DDL. Okay. Which SQL statement should you use? Only 1% answer, and that is the right answer. So delete is used for your rows. Drop is to remove the structure, but you don't want to remove the structure. And alter is to change the structure. That also we don't want. So the correct answer is truncate. Okay. This is the solution. Next one is answered by two people. And which of the following statements is a DDL command? So this is select, displaying the rows, so it is DML. Insert into, again you can say it is DML. Create table, it is DDL, related to the structure of your table. And update, again it is DML. So what is the right answer? Create table, and it is correctly answered by the students. Now this is not answered by anybody, 0 answers. It is 4 months ago. So maybe some people have answered now. And those who have not attempted the quiz, please do it. And let's check this question. To permanently remove a table and all its data, which DDL command would you use? So delete from, it's not a DDL. This is also not a DDL. Okay, this is DM. These two are DML. Now these two are DDLs. Correct? Now when you say DDL, what is your purpose? To permanently remove a table. You want to remove a table and its data. Okay, you want to remove the table and its data. So the only option is to drop the table. To delete the rows, you have to use delete statement. To remove the table, you have to use drop. Okay, so if you are new here and want to learn about SQL and DBMS, please go to the playlist. There you can find videos of SQL and DBMS. Check it out and go through the video. You will understand what this means and try to attempt the questions for practice. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoyed the content, and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching.